Hello all. In my previous lecture, we have already seen how to implement arithmetic code encoding and decoding, right? So, what does arithmetic code do, or how is it different from the Huffman code? Arithmetic code generates a tag for the given sequence. So, unlike Huffman code, where individual code words are generated for each and every symbol. So in this lecture, we will see how to assign shortest binary code word to the tag which is generated. So we have taken this example from a book, Fundamentals of Multimedia by Z. Nian Lee and Mark S. True, in which a source alphabet is given consisting of these letters, and their probabilities are also given. And we are asked to encode the sequence CAAES. So this sequence has to be encoded. Okay, and the probabilities are given to us. So let us look at the problem. Initial interval is defined here as follows. We already know how to define the initial intervals. And by using the graphical method of arithmetic code, we can arrive at a tag in the range of 0.33184 to 0.3322 for the given sequence CAEE and this dollar sign. Okay, so the range which we get after applying the arithmetic code using the graphical method is lower range is 0.33184 and the higher range is 0.3322. Okay, and the tag could be anything in this range. Let us say the tag is 0.3322. It could be anything in this range. Now we have to understand how to get the binary code word for this tag. Okay, so for the same, there is one algorithm given in the same book, which is here. I have written it down for you. So let us start with the algorithm. Now, initially, there are two variables, code and k. So both these variables, they are set to, code is set to 0 and k is set to 1. Okay. Now, this loop, while loop will continue if the decimal value of this code is less than 0, less than low. Okay, so let us write our low and high here. Low is equal to 0.33184 and high is equal to 0.3322. That is high. Okay, so we will check if decimal value of the code, and a code will be 0.0. This will be the code, because here we are getting the binary code word for the decimal value. So the code is 0.0. Okay, and is it less than low? So decimal equivalent of this binary value 0.0 is equal to 0. So it is definitely less than this lower range, that is 0.33184, and hence we will execute this while loop. Now inside this while loop, we assign 1 to the kth binary fraction bit. So initially our k is equal to 1. Okay, let me make this as capital K here. This is capital K and this is also capital K. Okay, so our first bit, okay, first bit that I have to take, this is my kth bit because k is equal to 1 initially. So first bit, they say, let us assign it equal to 1. Okay, then there is this if statement here. We have to execute this if statement to check this condition. So is decimal value of the code greater than high? Okay, so let us check if decimal value of the code (0.1), okay, of this code, we will check if it is greater than high. What is high? High is 0.33220. Now, what is decimal value of binary 0.1? Decimal value of binary 0.1 will be, I'm just writing it here, 0.1 in binary is equal to 2 raised to minus 1 in decimal. So what is 2 raised to minus 1? 2 raised to minus 1 is 0.5. So is 0.5 greater than 0.33220? And the answer is yes. Hence, we replace this kth bit by 0. Okay, look at the statement here. We replace the kth bit by 0. So instead of taking this as 1, I will take it as 0. I'll take it as 0. Okay, right? And then we increment our k by 1. So k is incremented to 1. So now value of k has become equal to 2. So here initially k was equal to 1. Now k has become equal to 2. So, and my code is 0.0. And I will take in this loop again. Now again I will check if decimal value is less than low. Decimal value of this code is less than low. So decimal value of code, what is code? Code is 0.0 and decimal value of 0.0 binary is equal to 0. It is less than low. So I will continue with this while loop. Now inside this while loop, I will again assign 1 to the kth bit. Now what is k? K is equal to 2. So I will assign 1 to the kth bit. So my code will now become equal to 0.01. So now let us see what is the decimal value of 0.01. Decimal value of 0.01, we have to check whether it is greater than high. Okay, and high is 0.33220. This is high. So is the decimal value greater than high? So let us find out the decimal value for this binary 0.01. So I'm doing it here, 0.01. The decimal value will be 2 raised to minus 1 will be 0 and it will be 2 raised to minus 2 because this position is 2 raised to minus 1, this position is 2 raised to minus 2. So this is 2 raised to minus 2, 2 raised to minus 2 is 1 by 4 which is equal to 0.25. So decimal value of this is 0.25. Is it greater than 0.33220? No, answer is no, it is not greater. So we will not replace it by 0. We will not replace the kth bit by 0 and we will let the kth bit be equal to 1. Okay, and we increment our k and now it will become equal to 3. 0.01 is our code. So we check for this. Is the decimal value of the code less than low? Yes, the decimal value of the code is still less than low. And so we will continue with the loop because decimal value of code is 0.01. Decimal value of this code is 0.25, which is less than low. So we continue with this loop. So now again assign 1 to the kth bit. So now what will be our kth bit? K is equal to C, 3. So we will assign 1 to the third bit after the decimal point, which is this. Okay. And then again check for this condition. If the decimal value of the code is greater than high. So now what will be the decimal value of this code? Decimal value of the code which is 0.00, sorry, 0.011. 0.011. What is decimal value of this? And we have to check whether it is equal to 0.3322, greater than 0.33220. Let me just remove these things from here, which are not needed. And now let us find out the decimal value for 0.011. So decimal value will be 2 raised to 0 minus 1, 2 raised to minus 1 into 0, plus 2 raised to minus 1 into 1, plus 2 raised to minus 2 into 1, plus 2 raised to minus 3 into 1. What will be the decimal value? It will be equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8, which is equal to 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 is is 0.37 approximately. Is it greater than high? Yes, it is greater than high. Yes, I will write here yes. And so what will we do? Because this value is greater than high, we replace the kth bit by 0. So you replace this kth bit, which we had made 1 originally. We had assumed that it is 1 originally. You replace it by 0. Okay. Then now your code is 0.010. You check for this condition is 0.010 less than low. 0.010 is 0.25, which is definitely less than low. So we will continue with the loop and assign, we will implement k to 4, which is implemented here only in the loop, and then we will assign 1 to the 4th bit. Okay. So if you continue in this manner and if you continue till you get decimal value less than low, you will keep doing the loop. Okay. When the decimal value of the code is greater than low, you will stop this implementation. Okay. So after doing this, you will get the binary tag as 0.0101. Okay, this will be the binary tag for the tag decimal tag in the range of low to high. Okay, and you can verify this and see if this value, if I convert this binary value back to decimal, is it in this range or not? So let us verify it. So this 2 raised to minus 1 will be 0, 2 raised to minus 2 will stay, 2 raised to minus 3 is 0, 2 raised to minus 4 is there, 2 raised to minus 5 is 0, 2 raised to minus 6 is there, and 2 raised to minus 7 is 0, 2 raised to minus 8 is there. Okay, so if you calculate this value, you will see that it is equal to 0.33203, which is within this range, of low and high. Okay, so this is how we assign binary tag to the decimal tag which we have obtained using arithmetic coding. Thank you.